Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears bigger without Sprite. First, understand that gummy bears are hydrocolloids, meaning they absorb water. This process, called osmosis, causes them to swell significantly. You can achieve impressive size increases using just plain water. We'll explore the simple steps to transform your small treats into much larger, jiggly delights. Get ready to see your gummies grow. To begin, select a shallow, non-reactive dish and arrange your gummy bears in a single layer. Next, gently pour enough plain water over them to ensure they are fully submerged. The water should cover them by about 1/4 of an inch. Then, place the dish in the refrigerator. This cool environment helps prevent the gummies from dissolving too quickly while they absorb the liquid. For optimal results, consider using distilled water. Its purity can enhance absorption. It's crucial not to oversoak your gummies, as they can eventually dissolve and lose their shape. Aim for a soaking time between 12 and 24 hours, depending on the desired size. Periodically check their progress to ensure they reach your preferred level of plumpness without becoming too fragile. Once your gummy bears have reached their maximum size, carefully remove them from the water. They will be much larger and softer, offering a unique texture experience. You can enjoy them as a fun, expanded treat, or even use them in creative desserts. Remember, this simple method opens up a world of possibilities for your favorite candies. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.